If you're dealing with bed bugs or just want to make sure they never become a problem, the right bed bug monitor is a game changer. But here's the truth. Not all monitors are created equal, and most won't actually help you in a meaningful way. In this video, I'll show you which monitor works, how to install it properly, and why it's the best tool for peace of mind. Bedbug monitors, the only one that works. Before we talk about the best option, let's quickly go over the types of bedbug monitors out there. There are two main categories, passive and active. Passive monitors. These don't use bait, heat, or any other attractant. They rely on bedbugs naturally finding and getting trapped in them. Examples include adhesive traps and bedbug interceptors that are not installed properly. Active monitors. These use heat, CO2, or chemical lures to attract bedbugs into a trap. The type of attractant is imperative, but that is a subject for another video, so stay tuned to our channel. Some require power, making them less practical for long-term monitoring. Now, while some of these sound promising, most either require too much maintenance or don't work well in real-world conditions. That's why the best choice is a properly installed and maintained ClimbUp monitor. Let me show you why. ClimbUp monitors are passive interceptors that go under your bed legs. Here's why they work better than anything else. They physically trap bed bugs before they reach you. 95% of how bed bugs find you is the CO2 that you exhale. As you know, we inhale oxygen and exhale CO2, also known as carbon dioxide. They help confirm if you have bed bugs or if a treatment was successful. You see, bed bugs have to feed every 2 to 5 days. They simply must, unless a repellent pesticide was used or there is no CO2 they can detect. They're easy to maintain. Just check them regularly and keep them clean. They provide ongoing monitoring, so you know if bed bugs come back. But the key is proper installation. If you don't install and maintain them correctly, they won't work. Installing ClimbUp monitors is simple, but you need to do it right. Here's how. Place one monitor under each bed leg. Bed bugs climb in, but they can't climb out. Ensure the bed is slightly pulled away from the wall. This forces bed bugs to use the monitors instead of crawling up from another route. Keep bedding from touching the floor. No shortcuts for the bed bugs. Regularly check the traps. Once a week is ideal. If you see bed bugs, you know you've got a problem. Keep the monitors clean. A little talcum powder inside helps keep the surface slippery. Using the right monitor isn't just about detection, it's about peace of mind. Whether you're actively treating an infestation or just making sure they don't return, a properly installed ClimbUp monitor is your best defense. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more expert tips. And if you need more help, check out my resources below. Customer reviews, https www.bedbugsri.com. Testimonials, Florida blog, https www.bedbugpros.com. Boston blog, MARICT, https bedbugsboston.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, proper monitoring means fewer surprises.